Tens of millions of dollars are at stake tonight after a judge decided the Providence City Council can try and stop a wealthy developer's tax break deal. The judge ruled the 2021 agreement was made without the full council's consent. Target 12 investigator Alexandra Leslie's been tracking this story and joins us in studio with what happens now.
Now that a judge has given the green light to the council's private attorney, Attorney Max Wistow tells me he plans to file a new motion that could put an end to the 30-year agreement. If he's successful, it could mean the city would receive more than $40 million in property taxes.
This court grants the motion to intervene.
Rhode Island Superior Court Judge Joseph McBurney deciding Monday the Providence City Council should have had the right to reject or approve a 2021 tax break agreement.
That's what we've been saying all along.
The council's attorney, Max Wistow, says he plans to file a motion to end an agreement that gave developer Arnold Buff Chase a 30-year tax break on 10 downtown properties. Part of the deal required Chase make some housing units affordable under a state law known as 8 Law. Wistow says the full Providence City Council was never privy to the deal that saved Chase $42.5 million.
The evidence before the court at this time shows that this was not an appeal for relief from tax assessment, but rather a settlement requiring approval of the Committee on Claims and Pending Suits.
Mayor Brett Smiley previously told Target 12 he does not support the existing tax deal, but also did not support the council's legal strategy. Following Monday's ruling, he told Target 12 he's concerned about the impacts the decision could have on the city, saying it, quote, allows Wistow to attempt undoing an agreement with Cornish Associates and signals that settlements with the city may have no finality to them. Smiley said the city plans to appeal, but is also still committed to finding a way forward that doesn't intervene on a settled matter. The developer's lawyer told reporters he also may appeal Judge McBurney's decision. A spokesperson for Chase's company, Cornish Associates, also told us while Judge McBurney's ruling was disappointing, they expect the tax deal will ultimately survive. With the Target 12 investigators, Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.